How can firefighters maximize water flow at the nozzle? Imagine trying to put out a blazing fire with a garden hose. It's not just about aiming the water, but making sure it flows as strongly and steadily as possible. That's what maximizing water flow at the nozzle is all about. When firefighters deploy a hose line, they want to get the most water onto the fire quickly and efficiently. To do that, they need to consider a few key points about the equipment and techniques involved. First, choosing the right nozzle makes a big difference. Smooth-bore nozzles give a solid, straight stream with high flow rates, perfect for reaching for distances. But they don't have adjustable spray patterns. Fog nozzles, on the other hand, can be set to different spray patterns and flow rates, giving firefighters flexibility depending on the fire size and type. Selectable flow nozzles let you change the gallons per minute while keeping the pressure steady, which helps adapt to different fire conditions on the spot. Matching the nozzle's flow capacity to the hose size and pump pressure is also essential. If the flow is too high for the hose or pump, it can cause pressure drops and turbulence, reducing the water's effectiveness. Next, managing the nozzle pressure is vital. Operating the nozzle at the manufacturer's recommended pressure, usually between 50 and 100 pounds per square inch, ensures the water streams out with enough velocity and reach. Too low, and the fire might not get enough water. Too high, and turbulence inside the nozzle can cut down the flow and cause uneven streams. Proper pressure management keeps the water flowing smoothly and maximizes reach and impact. The design of the nozzle itself also influences flow. Nozzles with a contraction angle below 25 degrees and an expansion angle under 30 degrees tend to produce less turbulence and better water velocity. Keeping the straight section of the nozzle around 20 millimeters long helps reduce turbulent energy, making sure the water exits in a steady, powerful stream. During hose line deployment, how firefighters handle the nozzle is just as important as the equipment. They should position the nozzle to cover the fire area effectively, using sweeping motions like O, Z, or up and down patterns to spread water evenly. Holding the nozzle with their body rather than just their hands helps control the flow better and reduces fatigue. A steady, controlled operation allows the water to reach the fire with maximum force and coverage. Using slide valves or gated nozzles also helps. These allow firefighters to adjust flow rates smoothly during operations, conserving water when less is needed or increasing flow when the fire demands it. This control helps make the most of the water supply and keeps the operation efficient. In summary, to get the most water at the nozzle, firefighters should pick the right nozzle type and size, keep the pressure within recommended limits, choose nozzles designed to reduce turbulence, and handle the nozzle with steady, controlled movements. Combining the right equipment with proper technique ensures they deliver water effectively, helping to control fires faster and safer.